Today we're gonna talk about joints. So first of all, I will make some sort of object for myself to test it with. So let's pretend this will be our hand, or I don't know, a hand or a leg or something like that. Subdivision. Yeah, let's say this is our hand. I will do some connections here, not connections, how's it called? Connect components, let me grab this and put it here, grab this and put it here. So of course we want to have a more defined joint where the bending will happen. Right here, object mode, I don't know, maybe I like it like this. Oops. So now I have prepared, let's pretend this is a hand of a character, and we'll need to create some bones, or as it's called in Maya, it's joints. So if we go to rigging, this is our joints. And I just click and click and click and click, and I created a row, a hierarchy. You see this bone, the joint is connected to this one, and this one is connected to this one. When you will create actual character, you will have much more joints. So let's say this is our backbone, and this represents our hand. And now they're not connected in any way. So one thing we'll need to learn is how to connect things. So, you know, if the spine moves, the hand should move as well. So we'll need to connect them. So I decide where my shoulder is. I shift select the other one and hit P. And I made a mistake because the direction is wrong. So I had to select this one first and then this one, I think. Let's see. P. Yeah. Now we connected the hand extension to the spine. And if I move the spine, all of that moves. Alright, so that's how you, with P, you parent, basically create another bone which connects one row of joints to another. Let's say he has another two limbs, some weird limbs, I don't know what, some alien character this is. And we will connect all of these to this one as well, P. And you see my spine is controlling all these two limbs here and one limb here. So that's the idea with those joints. As in other programs, it's called bones or armature, or I don't know how else. Now you see that it's here. It has to be inside our character, inside the mesh of our character. And the most important part is not where the bone itself goes, but where is this center, the starting point, because it works somehow similar like a pivot point of an object, you know, the center where it rotates. So if it's a hand, maybe we would want to have it here. So when we actually rotate a hand, it rotates from this and not from a center. So it's a very similar idea here with bones. We care about where those centers are, not as much this line itself. So, oh, what is going on? Did it crash? Anyways, so we want to move it inside. And now it's of course very inconvenient because we cannot see the bone. So of course for normal objects it's good to have it like this because, well, it is inside, so it should be covered by this mesh. But there is a trig here somewhere, I don't know how it's called, but it shows the, maybe it's this one, yeah, how's it called? Oh, it doesn't give me tooltips. Anyway, this button here, so you see better, here, it kind of forces the bones, the joints to be visible regardless that they are inside the mesh. They will be always rendered above everything here. So you might want to turn that on, and that helps a lot. Okay, I'll make myself a much simpler situation, just two joints right here. And I don't remember where I made my cuts. But basically I want this elbow to be, yeah, almost okay. That's better. Yeah, more or less like that. So we have a setup of joints, and we have our mesh. Now we need to connect them somehow.